Everybody here is stopped for a train that's going nowhere. Yeah, don't blame them. I'm sitting around here just to see how long this occurs. And this is just before 4 o'clock. So people are trying to get out of downtown. And this doesn't help. Been at this, what, 4 minutes now? Everybody's been going across. I mean, it's been like this for 5 minutes now. It's one of those things for Twitter or Facebook. It's like so for anybody who doesn't know, this is the 11th Street Southwest train crossing.
What's going on?
Everybody's been going across. It's been sitting here for 5 minutes.
What's going on?
This train's been sitting here for 5 minutes, blocking this all off. Everybody's crossing. I mean, it's strange. Anyway, these
Well, there's no conductor in this.
Yo, I know that. I mean, I'm actually putting this. I'm going to post this on Facebook or Twitter because, like, I mean, this is just before rush hour, and we've got a train sitting here stopping all this traffic.
You know what it must have been? Like, as really far-fetched as it may be, is what it might be is they might have noticed maybe a wheel came off a track.
Oh, that could be.
So what they may be doing is they stop the train.
Yep.
And they're now going through every single wheel to make sure everything's okay.
You would think that they would be able to actually control the lights here, though, at least allow people through.
You know what? Give it a couple.
Oh, I mean, it's been about 5 minutes now, but it could take a while. But you think there might be a way to improve the system a bit if this were to happen?
You know, I've said for years, and if you see it when the train starts moving, that brace right there, it dips way too far down every time that train goes by. Anyway.
No, and it's actually, it went this direction and stopped. I mean, it didn't come this direction.
It went this way?
Yeah, it went this way, so it was backing into here.
Good.
Yeah, so anyway, I'll be curious to how long this actually goes for. Well, this recording is now up to 4 minutes. But yeah, I mean, the fellow's right. This could be some mechanical issue, but you'd think that they would be able to override these gates if that were the concern. Well, luckily this bus is actually out of service. It's been sitting here the whole time too. Well, I guess these pigeons also feel safe to return. It's probably safe. It's been here for 5 minutes.
Is it going or not?
Well, I'm gonna wait this out to see how long this clusterfuck actually continues. Excuse the excuse the language. Everybody blames the cyclists in the winter, but I don't know. It's been like this for 8 or 9 minutes. Everybody's been crossing. I'm not quite sure what's going on. Five to 4 now. This train backed into here. It was not going forward. Maybe it's time for this level crossing to disappear. Maybe send this to Nenchi's office and give an example of why traffic is sometimes bad downtown. don't blame the law-abiding citizens who actually don't cross these tracks, because likely people would call them idiots for trying to beat a train, and then wonder why people would be so stupid. There we go. And I would have crossed this long time ago. I just want to see how well this plays out. We're coming up on 4 o'clock. Well, now we have movement. So it's been just shy of 15 minutes total. Now it's backing up. Yeah, well, I'm sure that these fine people and buses had 15 minutes to spare.